We are here at Tomoka State Park, and we are up here because it's really close to Daytona, and we're gonna do Jeep Beach.
Come on along.
Alrighty, we're almost there. Here at the Daytona Speedway. Alright, we're heading to gate 70. I'm just wondering how many gates there are to this place. Under the racetrack. Oh boy, it's gonna get loud in here. We're at Jeep Beach. There's a lot going on. A whole lot going on.
The 3A. That's great.
Oh, that's so cool.
On the tree.
Oh, we used to have a wagon here. Oh my gosh, it even has a dinosaur. There's a dinosaur. Wow.
All right, folks, get your mermaid margarita Jeep Beach popsicles right here.
Over 20,000 Jeeps paid to park. So, yeah, it's a big deal.
Literally on the dip.
In reverse! That's all you got?
Can you tell how many Jeeps are here? I don't know, hang on. It's far back there, you can get up here. So they said this is officially the largest Jeep event in the country.
I believe it.
I think they said in the world.
It
The
might be.
largest. The largest.
That's bigger than Easter Jeep Safari. That's bigger than... It didn't start that way. But my goodness, it has grown.
Oh yeah.
And after COVID in 2021, the 2022 turnout is just...
Oh yeah, it's huge.
Is huge.
It's huge.
He's local too, great.
What's interesting is it doesn't matter if you have a 1971 Beater or a 2022 Super Jeep. All Jeeps are welcome. Whether it's a Cherokee, a Wagoneer, a Wrangler, it doesn't matter. You can still come and have an amazing time.
You thought there was lots to see with all the vendors. Man, the other half of the show is out in the parking lot. All right, come on over to Daytona Beach. Can't come to Jeep Beach and not at least see the beach.
There are no shortages of bridges across over to the island.
Yeah, there's lots of them. Daytona Beach, it looks nice.
There's the Atlantic.
Yep. Oh, cool. We got some whales on this one. Whales! Decorated fish. World's most famous beach, it says.
Daytona Beach.
Alright, we weren't gonna do it, but we're doing it. Yes, we are. Daytona Beach is known as the place that you can ride your vehicle on the beach. So we're doing it. Finding soft sand on the beach. Go figure.
I'm having too much.
Oh yeah, there's no such thing as having too much fun. This is awesome. If you've never had a chance to do it, driving on the beach is really cool. Yep, that's where we're going, to Mocha State Park. Wow. This is a pretty drive. Yeah, there's a lot of people here, but there's so much to see. Oh yeah, if you have the opportunity to do an event or anything that you're interested in, whether it's an RV show, a Jeep show, motorcycle show, whatever it is that floats your boat, go do it. Go meet up with your peeps.